In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Teams meeting and how you can access the URL for that meeting and provide it to your students in your learning management system. So the first step is you're going to log into Office 365. Now, there's a couple of ways you can create a Teams meeting link. You can do it in the online version, which is what I'm going to be showing you, or you can be doing it in the desktop application. There just might be a couple of steps that are slightly different. So I have gone into ClassLink and clicked on Office 365, and now I am on my landing page here. Your landing page might look a little bit different. You probably will see all your applications over here on the left. If you don't see them, just refresh your browser. There's a little nuance with Microsoft going on right now, and it doesn't always show your apps right away. So once I have this loaded, I'm going to go ahead and click on Teams. And when Teams loads, the second step to creating your meeting link is going to the calendar. So here is my Teams calendar. And then what I'm going to do is come in the upper right-hand side and click this new button. So now what we're doing is actually creating the meeting. There are some required information over here that you're going to put in, and I'm going to explain to you what you need to put in and why. So a title could just be Miss Robinson's Virtual Classroom. You can call it whatever you want. So after you name it, the second step is here where it says include required attendees. Even though you're going to be sharing this meeting as a link with your students and not putting in their names individually, in order to get that link, you do have to put somebody in here. And so it could be your own email address or it could be a personal email address, but there has to be something here in order to get the link at the end, which I'll show you. Next step is the date. So the date that you are going to be doing remote instruction. So you can change that here in the calendar, and you can put the time frame. So if you have classes all day, you can just create a whole day link that you can use throughout the day if you wish. So we have that set up here, and then there really isn't anything else you have to put in. And I'm going to hit send. So this is going to go to the email that I put in here, and I'm sure Tim Tebow is going to accept my email, so I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So now after I hit send, it appears in my calendar, but I still don't see a link. So this is the next part you have to do. Once it appears in your calendar, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link, double click it so you can edit it. And now that you can see here, I have in the message content an actual link that I can copy and paste and put into my learning management system. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you take this link and put it into Schoology and Seesaw, depending on which learning management system that you use, so that your students will be able to access it.